Have you ever been wondered why beginner artists can't draw really well? Because they don't know the right procedure. Mostly beginner artists prefer freehand drawings, but they don't get actual results after repeating it again and again, and they get disappointed and they give up on their work. I know it's really embarrassing, so in this video I'm about to tell you the right procedure by which you can draw really well. And when you learn to draw and you practice really well, you can also switch to freehand, or you can also use the same method that I'm about to tell you. So without any further delay, let's get started lesson number 2 of learning drawing series. So here I am talking about grid drawing method. So I divided this video into 2 major parts. In the first part we will learn how to draw grids. In the second part we will learn how to draw by using grid. So let's jump into the first part. Well, here I'm using grid drawing application that we learned about in our first drawing lesson video. So if you have not watched that video, you must check it out first. Well, here I'm going to draw grids on a 2-size canson paper. You can use any kind of size of paper for your practice. The method will remain the same. I'm about to draw lines here at the distance of 15 mm, and I want you to prefer the same number. And once you learn it, you can choose any distance according to your need. So simply pick up the scale and hold it exactly on the corner of the sheet and start marking with really light pressure. Do it on all 4 sides of the sheet with the help of scale. And after this, set your scale according to these points on the sheet and draw thin lines horizontally and vertically with really light pressure. You can use HB pencil for it. That's great. Grid is ready now. Now just number the lines. When we draw the outlines, it will help us during that time. Let's jump into the part 2. How to draw subject outlines by using grids. Well, here I have this reference. Actually, it's a commission work. You can use any of your favorite image as a reference. The procedure will be the same as I'm about to tell you. So the grid method is very easy way to draw perfect outlines. In this method, we just have to follow the boxes in which we draw the reference, following each box sequentially. Alright, let me make it more easier for you. For example, I start drawing from the left side of this person's head. We have to find out in which box this part of this person's head is. And to know this, we have to take the help of rows and columns. I am about to start from here. First, I will see in which column and in which row this part is coming. As we can see, this part is in column number 6 and row number 7. So we will simply follow the rows and columns and draw the outlines looking at specific column and row on our page. And following each box, we will draw all the outlines. If we go more deeper into it, we can also use diagonal lines for this. These lines are drawn from upper right to lower left and upper left to lower right, which divides the grid boxes into more smaller sections that definitely help us to draw more accurately, which is very important because the more perfect outlines are, the more similar work we will get. So with this method you can draw any kind of outlines. So if you guys have still any questions about it, you can tell me in the comments. I will answer you in my next coming videos. And subscribe to my channel for the next lesson. Until then, take care.